I have looking for this kind of product and I found it. And it cost around $6 from Aliexpress. And what do you think? What is it? And this one is not for everyone. What it says in the title: RGB cooling fan for PS5, PlayStation 5, efficient cooling system, 3-speed, quiet cooler fans for PS5 console, accessories, disc and digital edition. Yes, this thing is a nice attachment for your PS5, so when you are playing the PlayStation console to be little bit cooler. And it's not expensive, as I told you, it's around $6. The link will be in description below so you can check it. And of course, I ordered this thing for my kid and I got it. Nice wrapped box. What it says: cooling fan for P5, cooling fan, LED lamp, and from behind we have the instruction. Let's open it. I don't need this, nothing more. Oh, my boy will be super happy when he see this. I need to remove. Alright, I hate stickers. 3 fans, 3 different size fans. Oh, yellow, orange, blue, with 1 button, and it says that it have 3 speeds, and you're gonna attach it like this, and this USB go directly to the USB port of the PlayStation 5, and in the same time you will get 2 output USBs. Beautiful. Let's power on. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! And I can feel the airflow. Oh, they are self-changing RGB LEDs with different colors. Also, we have 1 green LED for indicating the power on. Oh, now's the second speed. Now it's blue and showing that is the second speed, and red, third. This is third speed, and you can hear it that it's not pretty loud. And with the fourth press you turn it off. First speed, green, echo. Ooh, let me kill the light so you can see better the effect of the RGB LEDs. Power on. Oh, this will be super nice to the PlayStation with those RGB LEDs. Second speed and third speed. Beautiful. Oh, it's a nice airflow. My USB adapter, so we can monitor how much current is pulling this thing from the USB power of the PlayStation. Let's see. Oh, when it's first powered on into the USB, it will start immediately. And what it says: 340 milliamperes at first speed, second speed around 410 milliamperes, and third speed 500 milliamperes. That is not bad. Wow. And it's pretty rough. Oh. Now I'm gonna show to my boy and install it immediately. Let's do that. So from here it came out the hot air, And this gadget, it will help the PlayStation 5 to be cooled down a little bit more efficient. And this USB port goes right here, and take a look how easy it is to install. That's it. This is first bit, as I told you. We have second and third. I can feel it. Okay, this was a short video review of this product, which is a cooling fan for PlayStation 5, and for around $6 you can get this fan, and to improve your PlayStation 5 to work a little bit more efficient, to be cooled. Alright, the link will be in the description below so you can check it. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!